Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing very fine and learning new things daily. So we are learning about Google Slides in our previous video we learned how to log in into our Google Slides. After that we discussed how to use this background layout and themes option. We have also discussed that why to use Google Slide, how is it useful and many such things. But in today's video, we are going to start writing in our slides, and also we are going to learn how to set up a page for your slide according to your need, how to use different options in this slide, and how you can format your slides. That simply means if you have created one slide and you want to use the same format for your upcoming slides, then how you can do that. So let's start. So first thing, we learned how to use background layout and theme. So for our first step we have completed. In our second step, let's select a page. Let's set up this page. So for that you have to click on this file option. Okay, and now at the bottom you can see this page setup option. So when you click on this page setup option, there is nothing. It just asks you that how much length and for what size you want your presentation. So you can select standard. Then here is a widescreen option, that is 16:9. Then again widescreen, and then custom, that means you can create your own customized slide, that I want 10 by 5, 10 by 6 inch my presentation. So this is up to you. Now let's select the standard option and click on apply, and you can see the size of that my presentation is reduced. Now if I want to add my custom, they have given 10 by 7.5, but I want let's see, 7 by 7 in a square form, inches, centimeters, point, pixel. It's up to you to select the units. Okay, and then apply, and its size again reduced. So yeah, that's how this page setup option helps you to select the proper size for your presentation. Now another thing is that not everyone wants to create their presentation in English language. Maybe you have to create your project in Marathi, in Hindi, in Bengali, or in Gujarati or any other language. Then how we can change that option? So just you need to create on this file option, and here you can see languages. Okay. So when I clicked on these languages, here are all the languages came: African, Azerbaijan, Bhaza, Indonesia. Let's see for Hindi. Hindi. I'm unable to find Hindi here. Let's see. Yeah, here is the Hindi. So I just clicked on Hindi, and you can see here my input tool is shifted to Hindi. Then again it is giving me two options. Let's first select this Hindi option and let's see what happens. Let's write our country's name, Bharat. Yeah. So when I clicked Bharat in English, okay, I know it's very difficult to write in Hindi by using keyboard directly. So this option helps you to type in English, and you can select your what correct answer for it, Bharat. And here you can write Bharat ki ekta vividhata. Let's Vividhata means diversity in India. So let's type here about Vividhata, and yeah, this difficult word is also appeared here. So that's how this language option help you to set up a proper you can create your own document in your own language with the help of English keyboard. So yeah, this option is awesome. Then if you love typing directly in Hindi, then you can use this Devanagari in script. If you don't know, then that Devanagari phonetic is for you, just like we did in Hindi. And in this Hindi, here it shows the Hindi keyboard in the side. Okay, so you can select options also. So that's how you can change. Let's click on this cross. Array, it's not working. Let's undo this thing. Huh. So that's how you can change your language from this. Let's go undo this thing, and yeah, again it is English, I guess. Let's try. Let's now write in the, yeah, yeah. So that's how this language option helps you to write whatever thing you want in your own language. Now, as you can see, my India is already in different format. India and its cultural diversity. So as you can see here, font size and color is already appearing. I haven't worked at all on this. This is because we selected theme previously. In our last video we have selected this theme, so that's why it's appearing. But it doesn't mean that you can't customize the size and anything. You just need to select the option, go on to this font size, and that's how you can increase your font size. Again, as we discussed, if you want to change the color of this whole block, then you can go to this border pencil. This gives colors to this border. So let's give this grayish color. I think this one is that, and make it little bit broader. And yeah, here is India and its cultural diversity. Now, as you can see, it is very at the bottom of that box, and I need it in, what we can say, in the center or in the left. So these alignment options over here, they help you to do so. So when I clicked on this alignment option, you can see here are, on the top there are 4 options, and at the bottom there are 3 options. These 4 options for moving it from right, center, left, and custom. Okay, so let's make it at the center. Now these bottom options are for, if you click on this middle one, 2 arrows which are showing, my India word is came at the proper center of that box. I am talking about height wise, a vertical manner. Then at the top, and this third one is at the bottom. So what for vertically adjustment, these alignment options are helpful, and for horizontal, these one. So yeah, that's how you can select your word where to appear it. Okay, and here are the bulleted list option as we have learnt in our Google Docs. So this we will discuss later because we don't need it right now. Let's see, here is nothing. So that's how we have did this part. So we learned how to set a page, then about language, and now we are going to learn about formatting.